Leo, February 14, 2024. Asserting boundaries and restoring harmony. Good morning, proud Leo. With the moon entering Taurus and gracing your solar 10th house, you'll feel an unwavering commitment to your personal goals and convictions. Embrace this powerful energy as it empowers you to stand tall and assert strong boundaries, embodying an authoritative presence that commands respect. However, as the moon forms a harsh connection with Mars and Pluto, you may encounter challenges when dealing with stubborn loved ones. If compromise seems out of reach, don't hesitate to step back and give yourself time to cool off. Sometimes, creating space is the most effective way to preserve peace and avoid unnecessary conflicts. Later tonight, as Saturn and Jupiter align, joy and peace will be restored more easily. Seize this opportunity to communicate clearly about the changes that must occur, ensuring that everyone is on the same page moving forward. Good morning, proud Leo. Embrace your inner strength and conviction as you navigate the day ahead. Remember to stand firm in your truth while also maintaining a sense of compassion and understanding towards others. By honoring your boundaries and communicating openly, you'll pave the way for harmony and success in all areas of your life. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed your horoscope. I hope to see you tomorrow.